And tonight we are going to Jeju, Korea. Yes. After 7 glasses of wine, now a bit tipsy already. Time to go on board. We're going to Korea, Jeju. A bit tipsy, but show.
Busy.
And we've just arrived at Jeju Airport. Haha. Let's go. I've never seen this car in Singapore before. So nice car, small one. This is the Hyundai Venue. Right.
Contemplating on the right thing to decide. Will I take the wrong direction? All my life, where will I go? Will I ahead of me? I hold determination, and I'm not afraid of change. I have yet to find that someone who can satisfy me, to stand by me.
This is life. See? It's life. It's all moving. Life. Ooh. Can you see it? This is the moving life.